class 6 chapter 12 ratio. This book is NCERT or CBSE board. Class 6 chapter 12 ratio and proportion. Today we are going to be discuss what is ratio. To understand the ratio, take an example. Suppose we have two quantities A and B. A value is 10 and B value is 20. रेशियो मीन्स होता है हाउ मेनी टाइम्स one quantity goes in another quantities, one quantities go in another quantities. How many times one quantity goes in another quantity. One quantity suppose A and another quantity suppose B. If A is value is 10, B is value is 20. Ratio can be written as form A is to B. A is to can be written as A by B in the form of fraction. Here A value is 10, B value is 20. 0 0 cancel out. Here 1 by 2. That means one quantity is 1, A quantity is 1, B quantity is B. So B is 2 times. B is 2 times of A. B is 2 times of A. And how many times? 2 times. And A quantity is A quantity is 1, B quantity is 2. B quantity is 2 times of A. That means this is the ratio. Definition of ratio: the comparison by division. The comparison by division. Division means A quantity divided by B quantity divided by A. आणि कनिंग मतलब A quantity divided by another quantity. A quantity is B, another quantity is A. A how many times goes in B? So here it is the value of 10, B is 20. 10 how many times goes in 20? 2 times. 10 to the 20. So what will be the remainder? Here it is 0. Remainder will be 0. This is the division. This is the division. This is the division. The comparison by division. The comparison by division is known as ratio. Is known as ratio. This is the here one ratio. Suppose if you take another ratio, this is the first ratio. This is the first ratio. Take another ratio C and D. Can be written as C is to D. If C value is 50, if C value is 50 and D value is 100, it can be written as C is to D in the form of fraction. This is the form of fraction. C value is 50, D value is 100. 0 0 cancel out. 5 1 is 5, 5 2 is 10. Here it will be 1 by 2. Here also 1 by 2. Here it is 1 by 2. 1 by 2. Both ratio are equal. And A is to be sorry, A by B here, C by D, it is equal. A by B is value, it is 1/2. C by D also 1/2. Both are same. If two ratio, this is the proportion concept. This is the proportion curve. This is the one quantity. This is two quantities. Here take any two quantities. Here take any two quantities. Here take any two ratio. यानी डिफाइंड जो रेशियो होता है, इसमें कोई दो राशि लेते हैं हम, जैसे हमने ए और बी लिया जिसका वैल्यू ये दिया हुआ है, और प्रोपोर्शन में क्या होता है, दो रेशियो को लिया जाता है और रेशियो से क्या बनता है, हमारा प्रोपोर्शन बनता है। तो यहाँ पे दोनों रेशियो क्या है, इक्वल है। इफ टू रेशियो आर इक्वल, देन द ratios are called proportion. Then the ratio are called proportion. These are in proportion. Proportion can be written as A is to B as C is to D. C is to D. Here it is the in the proportion form. Here it is the ratio form. Here it is the ratio form. If two ratio are equal, that is called proportion. If two ratio, this is like this, so it is proportion, so it is proportion, so here it is ratio.